Okay. Hi guys, this is Vishal. Now in the previous videos, I've laid a lot of emphasis on data privacy, data processing, data security in today's time and age. Now in my current video, I would like to lay emphasis on what are the data subject rights. Who is the data subject? You and me. What are the rights of data subjects? Who has given it to us? These rights have been given to us by GDPR, which is General Data Protection Regulation. When did it come about into force? It came into force in the month of May 2018. What are these rights? These rights are nothing but the rights or the power given to us by GDPR. They are namely right to access, which means you and I can access the data which the company holds about us. We can just write in an email or or send a written note to them stating that whatever data you hold on me, share it with me. I need to know what are you processing and how are you processing uh, how are you processing my data. Secondly, right to rectify or right to update. Details such as name, details such as address change, telephone number change, email address change, etc., can be updated by the company in case if I write in a letter or send in an email. The most important right is the right to erasure or right to be forgotten. In today's time and age, right to erasure or right to be forgotten is a very important tool which you and I as data subjects can use in order to have our data erased completely from company's database so as to prevent unwarranted messages, spam emails, etc., coming towards us in the form of marketing activities or service related activities. Right to erasure is probably the most important right given to us by GDPR, wherein the company, upon the receipt of the email or the post, needs to process the same within a period of 30 days, 30. Thereafter, there are other rights like right to data portability, right to object to processing, especially automated processing or profiling, wherein your data is automatically processed by the company via backend, operate via automated via AI, that is artificial intelligence, or any form of analytics operations which is carried out by them, and right to data portability, as I mentioned previously, and other rights bestowed. I would now be sharing my screen for you guys to go through it from the Information Commissioner's Office Direct, which is the ICO website. Pretty simple, straightforward. I would also be uploading the link in the bio so that you guys can see it for yourself for future reference. Please be online. As you guys can see, we are on the Information Commissioner's website. The rights, as mentioned previously, are right to access, right to rectification, right to erasure, right to restriction of processing, right to data portability, right to object against automated individual decision making, including profiling. Now, all these are hyperlinks. If you click further, you would come to know as to what are these rights in detail. The language in which it is explained is pretty simple and straightforward. So in my future videos as well, I'll be laying more emphasis on other aspects of GDPR as well as a probability of the similar thing happening in India in the form of Data Protection Act or Data Protection Directive whenever it comes about. This is Vishal signing off. Please like, share, subscribe my videos. Stay safe.